here is this puller blind hole bearing. Look like this. It's grinded in this place, so the nut on the puller catch more space on the bearing. Pull it up. Now I use old pulley just for example to show how this puller works. Put in here, go from this side, and more space it gets to the bearing. Now, and you can also mark position of this gap right here, so you will know in which position you're gonna hold this. To prevent nut of the puller slide off from the bearing, you can put something inside of the bearing. Then just counter hold, bolt and tight this nut. And here we go.